This video is by no means sponsored by these fellas. There's no way they're going to put around in their pocket and sponsor us, but if you're in the area, use them, they're ace.
You get a castle bailout bucket free with all 5 bags of cement.
The trick is, you fill it up as far as you can, turn it over, you get 3 taps every time. Hello everybody, hope you're well. Finally, stage 2, concreting. The pump, where is it? The pump is here, we'll show you a bit more detail of that in a second. As you can imagine, being that it's raining, obviously, the footings are not in great shape, but they weren't. So we've had to dig out the inevitable collapses, bail out where we can. I'm not going to show you that, we've shown you enough digging, haven't we? The past two episodes, if you're unsure about the past 2 episodes, you don't know what we're talking about, you haven't seen them, these are the videos that you're looking for. By all means, go and have a look at them. Right then, I'll show you around, I'll show you the what's going on, and then we'll get on with this. Right, that was bailed out about 5 or 10 minutes ago, and it's already filling back up. So as soon as the concrete arrives, we'll start one last bail out, and then that's basically all we can do for that. The pump is all set up down there. He's all set up, lines all in, all the way over there to the furthest point, and then as he gets going, as he needs to come round here, he'll just take a section off and work his way back, basically. And that is it. Says barren it, doesn't it? Need a bag of cement? No. Oh, there we go. That's silly of me. Yeah, so that's it basically. Got to wait for him to come up now, and then we'll get going. One thing I will quickly show you, which we'll go into more detail when we start building the footings, but we've took a laser level for the finished floor height in there. This is all going to be throughout one level, and we've transferred it over to the middle of our footings. As you can see, there's there, and we've done the same on that wall over there, and that stick there we've just put in and put a mark on that, and then we're going to measure down brick courses until basically we hit ground level. That is what is that, 525 I believe, down there, and then put a line in, and it's going to fill up to that. The only issue with having it pumped is that the concrete is quite watery, so it's very thin. Now where that's good, that you can get a nice level surface quite easily. Getting it actually spot on to the brick courses can be quite difficult. That, and the fact that once you've got once the concrete's in, you need a little less than what you think it's going to be, and then you've got to judge how much is in the pipe, and then that's what finishes it off. So that there can be a bit of a discrepancy, but it is where it is, especially in this weather. So just get it in, get it as level as we can, and then we'll sort it all out after. Oh, is that better? There we go. Horrible weather, so we can't really film as much as we wanted to. But as you know, the pump is here. The concrete has just turned up. So he's going to back up now. He's going to turn around. Let's give it another wipe. That's any better. He's going to back up. Sorry, he's going to turn around and then back up to that, and then dump his load, so to speak, into the pump, and up it comes, and then we'll get it filled. So it's going to be all hands on deck while we're doing that. So we'll let you know how we get on afterwards. Right, that's the setup. As you can see, straight into that. Up it comes. And it's filled us up, so to speak. Just got to level it all across now. That's took about 10 minutes to do that. And what they're going to do now to clean this pipe, this is what I mean about you've got to judge how much is left in the pipe. Well, they do, I haven't got a clue. But we're short there. Well, sort that out, thinking about it, that just fell off. We're obviously short there, and I reckon that the amount of concrete still in this pipe is going to fill it. And what they do to clean it is they send a little sponge football up here. You'll hear it coming in a sec, and it'll pump straight out. Awesome. Thinking about it. Yeah. Go for it. Fuck's sake. Okay, here it comes. Hey! Oh man. Oh god, hasn't stopped. That's by no means the most content-filled professional episode that we endeavour to create for you, but job's done it. You got to do what you can do. I'll turn you around, I'll show you what we've done, and then we'll draw a line under it. How's that? Right, well, in short, concrete's in. Best we can. Real crap conditions, as you can see, so we've got it as level as we can, where hopefully it should be, there or thereabouts, but I've just resigned myself to the fact that it's going to be out, so we'll have to get over it. Still won't be the worst concrete I've ever come off, so we'll have to just deal with it as and when. Won't be tomorrow, I don't think. It'll be more or less gone off by tomorrow, but you'll have that horrible sludgy top skin to it, so keep away from that because you will fall over and come a cropper. So we'll keep off it for a couple of days, I reckon, wait for the weather to improve, and then we'll crack on with the building. So in the meantime, that can go, and we can build, we'll dig our hole, which was dug in the wrong place, dig that hole there and get our drainage in. So that's what I think we'll do in the meantime. So until then, that's concreting. That's our concreting video. That's how we do it. Not all the time, but that's how we've had to do it today. So there we have it. Right then, onto a better video. Take care.